Right now I am doing my region, so it's already 15 to 20 minutes already been happened. So before my region light is was blinking, but right now it's just dead. So my the water heat is going to 228, and my RPM is like 11,000 round, and see what happens. Still going region. Is my Freightliner Cascadia day cap 2016. It is my first time because we started doing local work, so it is like little heavy, like 88 to 90,000 pounds. So this is my second week. So this truck asked me first time in the reservation. So this is happening right now. Before the light is blinking, but right now it's straight on. And this is just sharing with you how the region works. And you heard the sound is like sound, and is really very hot. It feels smell like burning smells come out. So this is a part of this region. Yeah, it's been around 25 to 30 minutes. So the water gauge is going a little bit less, going back, but my is showing me like 228, and it's very rainy day today. So it is a first experience for me to how to do region. So I just follow the instruction what they put on the sun visor, and I just hit the region button, hold for 3 seconds, and after that we start reaching. Still same going on, and you see my heating gauge and RPM, and see my digital cluster shows 228 Fahrenheit, and region light stays on, and it's still doing region. It's my first time, I don't know, I just turn out the lights, everything. A little bit scary for me the first time, but now it's going good, I think so. Hopefully in 5-10 minutes it should be. I heard like 35 to 45 minutes, so hopefully we. And you see how the smokes, the engine is too hot, and it's raining, so water come up, and it's like showing smoke. It's very different sounds come up, just like they're doing the whole function. It look like they're letting them cool down or something. Yeah, the sound engine will come change. Just maybe you hear that sound. I think so. It should be just complete. RPM is coming idle back, but the light is still on. Hopefully, it should be turned off. Hopefully, yeah. The temperature comes down and RPM come down, and before it was 228, so 225. sounds can be like coming back to the normal. I think so. It's been let them cool. The cooling process going on. So lights just go off, and it's been the region complete. Hopefully you like the video. It's my first time, so I just trying to show you how the region works. Thank you, I really appreciate. Have a good night.